Click on the link below to get price. The A3 DTF Printer Bundle with Cutter is a game-changer for small businesses and DIY enthusiasts looking to create high-quality, vibrant prints on various textiles. This all-in-one solution combines a printer, cutter, and dryer, delivering exceptional performance for direct-to-film (DTF) applications. One of the standout features is the automatic self-maintenance function. This innovative technology ensures that the printer remains in optimal condition without the hassle of manual cleaning. Regular maintenance is crucial for consistent print quality, and this feature significantly reduces downtime, keeping productivity high. Users can enjoy peace of mind knowing that the printer will self-clean after specific intervals, thus enhancing its longevity. The screen touch panel is another excellent addition. It provides an intuitive interface that simplifies the printing process. Navigating through settings, adjusting parameters, and monitoring print jobs become effortless tasks, making it accessible even for those who might be new to DTF printing. The usability of this panel is a marked improvement over traditional button interfaces, allowing for quick adjustments on the fly. When it comes to print quality, this bundle does not disappoint. The A3 printer delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, making images pop on fabric. The versatility to print on various materials, including cotton, polyester, and blends, expands creative possibilities significantly. Users can achieve professional-grade results for custom apparel, home decor, and promotional items. The included cutter is efficient, allowing for precise trimming of designs to reduce waste and create clean edges. It operates smoothly, making it easy to handle intricate patterns without compromising quality. The DTF dryer completes the bundle, ensuring that prints are cured properly for durability. It achieves consistent heat distribution, which is essential for transferring prints onto fabrics effectively. In conclusion, the A3 DTF Printer Bundle with Cutter and Dryer is a robust solution for anyone looking to enter the world of direct-to-film printing. Its combination of advanced features, ease of use, and high-quality output makes it a worthwhile investment for both hobbyists and professionals alike.